Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm outside. It is making me sweaty. So yeah, outside is fun. So as you can tell, I'm outside, so the camera is probably gonna be shaky. But, I mean, worse has happened. I am trying to go where the grass isn't grown up so much, so I don't get bit by a snake and die. That is a goal of mine. As you can tell, I am very close to the road. One for the road. See? Look how pretty nature is. So pretty. I'm gonna have me a... That is my brother. One of the many over there. I must sit upon this tree. I'm sitting on this tree. I look like a mess today, but that's because I have not been up long and I've had to clean. I had to clean up ants today, and then I had to. My stepmom wanted to throw the cats outside. Well, one of them, because she's literally like the worst cat in the world, and so I did that, and so I've got like a battle scar to add to my mini. I only get like scars from this one hand on this thing. It sucks, I know, but yeah. So I'm just gonna show you some nature things, I guess, today of around where I live. Yay! Look at those pretty flowers. Aren't those so pretty? What do you have to say?
I'm playing with my tablet and
Are you ready to find some snakes? Because I've totally hit some snakes out here that are poisonous, and I'm gonna make them bite you. Deal? Does that work? Oh no, it's stuck in the ground. Ah! What are you gonna do if you find snakes? That's animal abuse. I'm gonna call PETA on you.
there's Spider-Man!
Okay, now I'm going to show you one. Did you just stab me in the butt?
Sorry.
Okay, stay over here. Now I'm going to show you guys something really awesome that I found, and hopefully I won't get bit by a snake. You're poison ivy. Look at this bridge, guys. It's like a little walking bridge.
What?
Diabolo. Shut up. Look how big this tree is, though. Like, that's a big old tree. Look what I just found. This is, I can't think of what they're called. It's not a locust, I don't think. to get in the sunlight. I completely forgot what they're called. Anyway, I used to love these as a kid, and I used to collect them all the time. It's the shells after they've said rude motorcycles. Anyway, I used to collect these as a kid. It's like they shed their skin, and that's what you get, this little thing. And see, it still has these little claws on it, so it like looks like it's stuck to you. Hi everybody, and I am on that little footbridge that I showed you in the wilderness. See? My welcome to my channel video is doing so good to be just put up last night. It's doing so good, and I'm so glad that it's being shared and people are getting to know me and getting to be my friend, and I like that. Sorry, my neighbors are getting real too close to the fence for my liking. I got boundary issues. And I just want to say thank you again for that, and definitely I cannot wait for all of you to continue this magical journey with me. And I have a special surprise for you tonight. No, tomorrow. Tomorrow is when I have the surprise. I'm going to do it tonight and I'm going to post it tomorrow. And you guys, I think you guys will be really excited for it. It's going to be kind of like a how-to video, but not. It's complicated. Traffic is so bad near my house, even though I live in the wilderness.
Like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out. Blip.
Great stuff.